over at my friend Chase's house to look at his wiring so I can once and for all see what clicks on the switch do what. And then because the US chassis is different.
Yeah, they are different.
Okay.
I know, like the blinker
There's the
harness.
corner light. Yeah.
They don't have running lights on the blinkers, you know?
Yeah, see.
It's just 2 wires instead of 3. We can lift it up and stuff too.
Well, mainly too is what happens when you click, for each click of the headlight pole, you know? It's pretty clean.
Yeah, the chassis is super clean. All like, well, I nerded out.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god.
Yeah, because we don't have them like this.
Yeah.
So, do you know if this one's the high beam or is this one the high beam?
Go grab the keys.
Yeah, because that's another issue I'm having. It's what is the plug for? Okay, well, that's the AC plug there. There's blue wire, gray guy down there. Such is all nice and clean. Okay, so that splits through. Completely OEM location for everything. It's crazy because it's so different. That looks the same.
The windows I bought are completely unnecessary.
It's crazy to see where all these factory plugs actually go. That's nuts. Yeah, okay. So yeah, tell me when it's so that's one click. So you just have corner lights. Okay. What's 2 clicks is headlights, outside beam. Okay.
That's high beam.
Okay. So how did you turn on your high beam? Push it forward. Okay. And then do you have the fog? Your fogs work?
Yeah, so it's locked on.
It's its own switch, like the up down switch on the pop ups.
Yeah, so it's this one right here.
Oh, okay. So that's the fog lights are on. So yeah, that's like the same because the right here is the up down for the pop ups on a USDM.
Yeah.
So it's similar. Like, so basically I'm gonna use that switch for the fogs. That's what most people do.
Yeah.
But that's cool. Oh, those are just the front blinkers. Okay. Okay.
Here we have some still shots so you can check out the plugs. This one here is the corner light plug, little 2-pin gray. This one here is the headlights and fog lights. Right there's the fog light, the inner one. High beam, low beam is the one before that. That one is the AC condenser plug. And this is outside air temp, another weird sensor, and a dummy sensor. This is the plugs on the fuse box and the starter ground and power. This is a weird plug and another weird plug on the left fender. This is the pop-up hood open plug. So hopefully that helps you guys with your S13 conversion, or if you're just rebuilding or restoring a car. In my case, I have a USDM 240SX chassis with a Silvia headlight conversion, and the wiring was never done correctly. So that's why this video was made in the first place. Thanks guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.